tried to bury us, but they didn't know we could fly. Now we rise, straight from rubble. Whoa. Yeah. Used to be bricks, now it's bricks and ash. Footsteps echoing the ghost from the past. Where brothers got locked for a bag in the name. Same system still breathing, just learn how to change. I fly cause I need the eyes on the sky, but my city still cries when the sirens ride by. Every flight a confession, every turn a truth. This drone ain't a toy, it's a message to the youth. See, they closed the gates, but the trauma's still open. So I map out the scars every time I'm floating. From Hall Street to Hope, I'm just following light. Ain't no chains in the cloud, just purpose and flight.
Don't I fly over pain, over struggle, over fear. They broke the walls, but we still here. This ain't escape, this is how I heal. Wings over concrete, yeah, it's real. RP to the ones that ain't make it out. For the fam in the block, I'ma scream it loud. No cage, no chains, no tears and today. We fly through the fire and we pave that way.
I seen too many fade in the fog of regret. Locked in the box for the cash to check. But I chose the sky not for flex of fame. It's the therapy session they don't ever name. FPV, that's my church, my grit, my prayer. Ain't no pastor here, just props in the air. Every stick input's a line from my book. Every dive through steel is a second look. Yo, the workhouse gone, but the echoes stay. So I dip through rubble, trying to paint a new day. But that's exactly why I do. To show them every broken thing still got value.
So I fly over pain, over struggle, over fear. They broke the walls, but we still here. This ain't escape, this is how I heal. Wings over concrete, yeah, it's real. So my people still trapped in a mental cell. Every flip's of freedom, every pack say yeah. No more chains, no tears to the day. We fly through the fire and we pave that way.
Met with reporters during a Zoom meeting today and made a statement about the latest developments in her plan to close the medium security institution, also known as the Workhouse, due to what she calls inhumane conditions there.
As of today, the budget for the Workhouse has been zeroed out and the facility stands empty.